Today I'm gonna testing an MP-5. How strong is the recoil when it shoots? Intense. Pretty strong. Can it shoot underwater? It can't. How many shots does it take to break stuff? "14 shots to break a crate." Brick wall. 20 shots to break a brick wall. Wooden panel. "14 shots to break a wooden panel." How many shots does it take to kill a melon in the head? 1 shot. Can MP-5 shoot a bullet while burning? Yes, it can shoot. That's all for today. Please subscribe and like. It really motivated me to do better video.